Hi guys, welcome to Funland TV. There are some awesome surprises in this video. I can't wait to see what they are. I am so excited. Look, there's Danny Dog, Rebecca Rabbit and Princess Peppa. Wow, here is George Pig in his pumpkin carriage. They must be going to see the surprises too. Oh look, there's a clue. Funland this way! Oh wow, look, it's beautiful! And here is Princess Peppa and her friends. I'm so excited. Let's go into Funland. Wow! Look at all these surprise eggs. There are so many. It looks magical. I don't know about you, but I can't wait to open all of these surprise eggs. Let's start with Spiderman. We have some Spidey stickers. Some yummy sweeties. And ooh, what's this? A Spider-Man spinning top. Let's open another. Oh, I like the look of the Pixar Planes eggs. We have some plain stickers, some sweeties, a flyer and a plains yo-yo with Rip Slinger on the front. I can spot a Minion Kinder Egg. I love the Minions. We have some yummy Kinder chocolate. Let's see what's inside. So we have a flyer that we can see all the Minions to collect. And a Vampire Stuart Minion. Yay! Let's go for the Disney Mickey and Minnie Mouse egg next. We have some sweeties some Mickey and Friends stickers, and a Minnie Mouse noisemaker. Let's open the My Little Pony egg next. We have a super cool Pinkie Pie sticker, a flyer, some Love Heart sweets, and a Rainbow Dash necklace. Wow! Let's put that on Princess Peppa. There are so many eggs. Let's open the frozen one next. We have some more sweets. A frozen spinning top with Anna on it. And some cool Disney Frozen stickers. Let's open the Pixar Cars egg. And here we have some more sweets. A flyer and some stickers. And an awesome Pixar Cars skateboard. There you go, Danny Dog. You can have a go on the skateboard. Woof! Last egg, Spiderman chocolate egg. Ooh, this one's half milk chocolate and half white chocolate. Oh no, this one's stuck. Yay! There we go. Let's see what's inside. We have a flyer. Wow, look at all of the things we can collect. And a Spider-Man pencil topper. Surprise! We have another egg! It's a Disney's Minnie Mouse egg. We have some cute Minnie Mouse stickers. Some more sweeties. And oh look! A super cute Minnie Mouse badge. Let's give everyone a sweet. Yummy strawberry flavour. Yummy! That's so good. Thank you, George, for taking us to Funland today. We had a great time, full of surprises. So let's go home with all of our new toys. Thanks for watching our surprise video. We can't wait to see what you comment, and don't forget to share and subscribe to see more videos. See you there!